It's that time of year again. It's getting cold, and it's time to winterize your PWC. Now there's a few things you need to be aware of. There's a lot of different ways that people will tell you to do this, and I'm going to share with you my method. I've seen other guys that just start them up, rev them up a bit, blow them out, and they're fine. I've seen other people that do that exact technique, and I've replaced their engines because it has cracked and destroyed their sleeves in their engine. So I'm going to show you how I do a winterization on a PWC. So the first thing you're going to need is some kind of a pump. Now I've set up a 5-gallon bucket with a little SureFlow water pump on it and a hose that comes off to a garden hose fitting. That way I can use my flush adapter, and of course depending on your model there's going to be different styles. This Yamaha TR-1 is right under the seat. There's a little cap and you put in the Yamaha adapter and that's how you would flush the engine. Same concept if you run in salt water. So on Seadoos, they vary. Some are on the very back, like the new models have them right on the back. It's just a little garden hose fitting. You can just screw a garden hose, quick connect in, and away you go. Others, older model Seadoos, have them inside of the pump tunnel. I'll show some pictures of that. Hondas are in the pump tunnel, and you just need a piece of like 5/8 heater hose with a barb fitting so that you can hook on to that. And basically that's all there is to it. Find your flush fitting that you would use to flush salt water out of the system and use the same setup for antifreeze. So our process is going to be hook up all of our flush stuff. So we've got RV Marine antifreeze in the bucket ready to go with a switch hooked to the jet ski battery. We're going to start the jet ski up. We're going to gently give it a couple blips. We're not going to pound the engine off the rev limiter. That's horrible on a cold engine to blow water out. Then we're going to switch the pump on, pump antifreeze in until antifreeze has circulated through and comes out the back. So let's go ahead and do it. Go. That's on. This is all set. That's set, ready to go. Stick our lanyard on. That's all there is to it. We've got antifreeze all the way through the cooling system and coming out the exhaust now. So this machine is ready to be put up and stored for the winter. So other services you could do at the same time is inspecting the wear ring, inspecting the jet pump if you want to pull the jet pump off, inspect the bearings, change oil, things like that. But that's the process that you need to make sure that nothing's going to freeze and burst, and your engine will be safe when it comes time to use it again in the spring. Thanks for watching.